Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and our first video.
I'm Dustin.
And I'm Morgan. And we're the holidays.
Our goal is to visit all 63 national parks and share our adventures with you guys.
Yay. In this video, we'll be visiting one of the youngest national parks, number 62 in southern New Mexico, White Sands National Park.
Oh. That's so cheesy, I'm so sorry. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the video.
Thanks, guys.
Hi.
I love I-25 traffic. It's my favorite.
There's gonna be a time lapse of us sitting in traffic for 2 hours. Look how fast we're going. It's like
Super fast.
Wow, it looks like you're going 30 miles an hour.
Super fast. Oh, we are.
Good wheels. Your ride, your way.
Traffic is so fun. Traffic is so fun.
Look, it's a learning process. We're learning to do this together.
Together.
How hot is it gonna get tomorrow?
As hot as you. Made it. Dookie.
I barely made it on.
Need to pass it back and forth so it's not just me.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay.
No, man. They're closed.
Yeah, I know.
Wow, that's pretty.
Look at the glasses.
Alrighty. Alrighty.
Did you want me to stand over here?
Yeah, just like around the corner.
Oh, okay, cool. I know where you guys are.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I know, he's so beautiful.
Alrighty. Oh, it smells weird.
You gonna get tangled? Good job.
Yeah, that looks
They're
yummy.
wrapping hers up now.
Oh, jeez.
We already got it.
We got the one they wanted.
Yeah, we picked one.
These are gorgeous. I love these things. It's a wreath. It's a chili pepper
We don't want
wreath.
to hang it too close to the edge because
I adore that so much.
if the moisture, we don't want too much moisture.
Don't touch. Put rock in everything. I so pretty.
Yeah, they're gorgeous. I love the blankets.
Albuquerque's only 48 miles.
It's crazy.
Then we only have 2.5 hours to White Sands.
Yep.
How about that, Jack?
Wow.
We haven't even gotten to our destination yet.
But you know, it's just as important as the destination, baby.
The journey.
The journey. Yeah.
In 2 miles, take exit 232 toward New Mexico 423 Paseo del Norte.
Bet you can't speak Spanish, so
Del Norte.
Del Norte. Paseo del Norte.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to go to. Look, I just see cool looking rocks, I climb them. That's what I do. Is it a jug?
Oh, it's a Jack.
It's jug.
Oh, wow. Okay. Are you getting this?
Good job, baby. I don't get to sleep. If I don't get to sleep, you don't get to sleep.
Drive.
We're currently camping at Oliver Lee Memorial State Park because White Sands National Park only has primitive camping.
Yeah, we'd rather stay where we have all of our stuff in the car, especially with the boys. If it was just us, it'd be different. Artie doesn't know what a tent is. He thinks he's still outside, but he's inside the tent and he tries to like jump on it. It's really funny.
He doesn't do tents well.
No, he doesn't. Yes, it is a 30-minute drive to White Sands National Park. It's literally right over there. You just kind of go around to get to it. We're getting up bright and early. Good night.
Oh
yeah.
Milky Way photo in the campsite. Oh man, it's beautiful. Good morning. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Stay safe,
Thank
stay
you.
hydrated.
You too.
Wow, did you just tell her you too? You too, stay hydrated.
I wish everybody would stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated. I'm gonna start saying that.
I think
Have a good day. Stay hydrated.
I think that's a really good advice. People are like, oh yeah, maybe I should drink some water, and then they'll be healthier. You know,
That'll make him happy.
everybody could probably benefit by drinking more water. I'm so stoked right now.
Oh wow! Look at the sand.
Oh my god. It's so pretty. There's a lot more vegetation
Then sand dunes.
than the Great Sand Dunes.
Yeah.
But I guess there's a lot more desert life here that's more acclimated to growing in this kind of stuff. Oh yeah. We're now driving on sand.
Sorry, I know I'm in your face.
It's okay.
Oh, that was so cool. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. Oh, God, that was so good. God, that's good. Yes. Yes.
One of them. It's so hard. Hardy, come on. Oh. Come on, buddy.